CALMS Visitor Management System with Web PC and Portal offers seamless visitor pre-registration with check-in and check-out for enhanced safety and security, with compliance being enforced for visitors, staff and contractors. Receptionist or security guard just need to sign in with username and password. The system provides a dashboard of various information such as summary of visitors count, visitors still in the building, overstay, number of walk-in and visitor with pre-appointment, the number of expected visitors and number of blacklisted visitors, together with various graphs and charts. There is also a list of 10 frequent visitors, recent 10 check-in and recent 10 check-out visitors. For the walk-in visitors, the receptionist is able to register the visitor by filling up all the compulsory visitor information. The set information required can be configured according to company requirement on main portal settings, including 10 additional user-definable fields. For convenience, there is various shortcut buttons to access various functions, such as to view the current checked-in visitors, the expected pre-registered visitor for the day, as well as other shortcuts such as the graphical dashboard, visitor registration, registered visitors, visitors appointment, emergency evacuation, overstayed visitor, recent check-in and settings. For returning visitors, receptionist can search their details by keying in name, ID number, email or mobile number. Upon selection of the visitor data, receptionist can update information and attach additional documents at the Entry Documents button and check in the visitor by clicking the Check-in button at the top right corner. Upon checked in, the visitor's details are now updated to the registered visitor list. By clicking on the 3 dots action button, there is option to check out, view the visitor details, blacklist, extend the permitted time, print visitor label or access QR code. Visitor details will be available for viewing as shown here. The 4 buttons at the top right corner are the shortcuts to enlarge the screen, view it in full screen, scan QR code or ID. For the filtering function, we can search based on the various data such as visitor name, ID, email, contact number, category, permitted time, pass number or card serial number. Note that there is no pre-registered visitor with pre-appointment, and thus the visitor's appointment list is currently empty. We will now show you our visitor management portal, where the host or staff is able to pre-register visitors in advance, such that visitor will receive QR code or appointment ID, which can be used for faster registration upon arrival at reception or guardhouse. Currently, the user is an admin that is able to access multiple branches. The first selection of a branch is required, followed by start and end date time of appointment, which host is the appointment for, and then the addition of the visitor with the selection of visitor category, keying of visitor name and email address. The visitor category has been configured, that will require approval before the appointment request can be approved, and thus you can see that the list showing pending. The user is able to view the appointment information. At the approval listing, it is still empty as the visitor has yet to submit their information. Here we are showing that the visitor has received the appointment email sent by the admin host earlier. By clicking on the Register Your Appointment link, the visitor will be brought to a URL link page for further submission of information. Agree on terms and conditions, answer questionnaires, declare material to be brought in, view safety briefing video and answer video questions. The visitor appointment is successfully registered, but still pending approval before confirmation email is sent. The approval of the pre-appointment will be done by the host or admin. Once they receive the notifications of completed registration form, the host or admin can approve or reject the request. You can set for auto-approval, single-level, or two-level approval whereby the maximum is 2 approval levels. Here we have set as 1 level of approval by the host. Note now there is a pending approval for the host. He can view and then approve the request. Once the appointment approved, visitor will receive confirmation email, and the real-time system will update the visitor details on visitor's appointment. For the pre-registered visitors, once they arrive at the receptionist, they show the QR code. The system will identify the visitor and proceed for check-in. Also, the receptionist can manually check in the visitor by selecting the From list. Email notification will be sent to the host to notify them in real-time basis. The visitor details will be automatically updated to the registered visitors and appointment status has changed to checked in. To check out visitor, click on Check Out from the menu option, and the visitor name will be removed from the list. They can also view the report on the dashboard to get real-time update of the check-in and check-out visitors with today's visitor has updated to 1, and appointment check-in 1. ViMS web portal is designed with overstay feature. It gives the information of overstayed visitor, which receptionist or security guard can alert the affected visitor. Not only overstayed, the summary of recent visitor check-in and check-out are available with a click of button. Settings feature allow you to sync your device with the latest or updated data. Just go to Settings and click Sync now. The data on dashboard will be synced with the server. The system allows the admin to manage its own activation of licenses based on what was purchased. The web PC license is managed under the Secure Entry App registration. A registration QR code is generated and issued for the particular device. The system allows for configuration setup based on what is to be enabled or disabled, selection of background color, logo, data fields to be enabled or not at the dashboards, add visitor registration page, check-in and appointment page. To activate the web PC system, user just need to scan the registration QR code from the device where the web PC is to operate from. It can be an iOS and Android tablet or Windows PC. With newly upgraded ViMS web PC, visitor registration system is now very flexible to work on various devices with flexible configuration set and better security with central control from the portal for seamless implementation and peace of mind.